This is how to make wax dirt. So we got a trailer, black trailer, box trailer kind of, and we don't need that. But then we got it hooked up to the tractor, and this is how we make wax dirt for traps, so they don't freeze in the winter. But you can make it lots of different ways, but this is how we make it. So I'm gonna pull the trailer into the shade because it's about 90 degrees out, and then I'll get a scoop of dirt and we'll put it in there, and we gotta sift it all out and stuff. So see you then. Into the shade over there, and now I'm gonna get some dirt. So let's get a scoop of dirt here. I can't get in there. I gotta put in four-wheel drive. That's a lot better. Let me down. There we go. Now we'll dump it in the trailer. Here's what it looks like when it's all sifted. Sift it. You put it in the sun.
Why?
Just like that. Because, Katie, then it can cook. 30 minutes later, what you want to do is you gotta get a hard rock rake, and see, once it gets all dry like that, see right there, that's where the rake was. See how it's wetter and it's drier right here? So you want to like try to get it all dry. So you can't see any of that dark color. So you want to keep breaking it out every time it gets dry. Now you should do it. We got busy making catfish bait, but you should be doing this every time it gets dry, which is probably going to take like 5 minutes. But you want to get it so none of it is wet. You want it to all be dry. Now you could probably take a torch and dry it out too. You're gonna need a torch to melt the wax in it. So just keep moving it around like this. Make sure it's all spread out even though. So now we can wait another 30 minutes because we're busy doing stuff. But you should come up here like every 10 minutes and rake it again. So that's how you get it to dry. You want to try to sweep it into the sunlight like Katie's doing right now, and then the sun there is going to go up to the right, so this shadow will go to the left, so then one point in time the trailer will be all in the sun. So then when you're getting, like when you got it pretty good, you want to get the stuff out of the sides too, because you can't really rake the sides too good, and the corners especially. So you just need to keep raking it and stuff.
And you also you want to make sure not too much comes out of the back.
Yeah, you don't want to.
The trailer's like this.
Obviously, you don't want to spill any out of the back. So that's what you got to do until we start to put wax in it. Raking this, when you get it all dry, you want to go through. You want to make sure that there's not that many rocks and clumps of dirt in there. Well, clumps of dirt doesn't really matter, but rocks do, because they'll get stuck in your trap. And then, like these big clumps of dirt, you just throw them against the side of the trailer.
Or these big rocks.
Well, no, those big rocks, Katie, you can't throw against the side of the trailer.
Well, I know, but you take them out.
Well, yeah, you got to take them out and throw them away. And then see here where it's kind of dark? That's because it's in the shade. Oh, there's a mealworm in there. But since it's in the shade, you gotta move it so it's in the sun. And then you just gotta get the dirt so it's like all dry. So we gotta move this trailer now. Once you get your dirt all dried out, and you see how the dust is up there like that? That's good. You want to just get your dirt all dried out. Then you take your wax, which you can get a 5-pound bag of wax, flake wax, from F&T Trading Post, their website, F&T Trading Post, and this is a 5-pound bag. So for this much, I don't know the dimensions of this trailer, but for this trailer, we want to put at least half of this in. So let me get this out. So we open it up, and half of it is probably here. So see, that's how much there is. So half is, so see, oh, that's, so half of it, you want to spread it out, but that's not half yet. So you just want to like spread it out a little. This. That's probably about half, but let's just get a little here and stuff. There we go. See, so this bag was already used, but that's probably about half of what was in there. So now you want to get all this stuff out. Take your rake or whatever you use to mix it, and just get wax everywhere like this. But make sure there's no big clumps. And then it doesn't really matter if there's big clumps, but then once you do that, well, you don't have to, I just broke my GoPro cage. But you don't have to mix it in, but what you do now is you take your torch, it doesn't, and you just kind of burn it all in. Now let's open this up, turn the thingy on. Oh, okay, I know how to do this now. Alright, there we go. Now, this is kind of hard, but you gotta. There we go. Alright, ready? that was awesome to do. Let's just set this down over here so it doesn't start a fire. Turn this off. My gosh, it's 90 degrees out right now, and then look at this, it's smoking. Oh my god. Jeez. That was awesome. I gotta say it. That was really, really cool. And look what I did to my GoPro cage. Oh my gosh. Oh! I wonder if I can fix it. Some super glue. But that's what it looks like now. So now you just want to rake it out. Rake it. So I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then I'll put the stuff away, and then I'll do it some more.